Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to put together one of these portable chicken crates. I got this on Amazon. I got a 4-pack for like 185 bucks. The more you order, the more you save, so it came out to about $50 each. I think you could buy single ones for like 60 or 80, something like that. I'll put a link in the description. Again, it's on Amazon. Link will be in the description and show you guys where to get it if you want one. I got these because I sell a lot of chickens and I bring them to feed stores and whatnot, so I have to have a nice way to transport them that looks professional and just something that's easy to transport them, and these look like they're going to work perfect for me. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and we're going to put it together. Now I've already put together 3 of these. Again, I told you I ordered a 4-pack. I put together the first 3 just to make sure I know how to do it. And there are some problems that can arise, so definitely follow the instructions pretty closely. This doesn't come with any instructions. The instructions you're going to follow are going to be my instructions. So let's go ahead. This is the top, and this is just your little door. We're going to set this aside. It comes with these little blue things too, just to hold the crate together. You don't need these. They're not really important at all. It has the bottom and 4 sides. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab the 2 small pieces. We're going to set the longer pieces to the side. I'm going to grab these short pieces. Now this is the most important part. You see right here, there's a handle. This handle needs to be facing up. This is the bottom. This is the side. Handle needs to be facing up, and this smooth part right here needs to be 100% smooth, facing outward. You can see the inside isn't so smooth. And it also has these little edges. These edges need to be facing inward. Okay? So go ahead, find yourself, line it up. You're going to need a rubber mallet for this, or a hammer. Anything will really work, but rubber mallet seems to do the trick. So go ahead and find your corner, and you can hit this pretty hard. It's not going to break. Just smack it in and you'll hear it click in. Then you're going to want to line up the whole thing, and you're going to want to do that again. Once this is in here, it's not coming out. If you put this on wrong, it's going to be a big pain to get it off. You're going to need a bunch of wedges and stuff to get in here, because these are little blocking plastic pieces that once they go in, they're not coming out. So again, try not to make a mistake. Do this the way I'm showing you how to do it. Before I get any farther in this, I want to give you guys the size of this, and it's supposed to be able to hold 10 full-size chickens. I'm going to use it mainly for chicks, and this is pretty good size for chicks. Their feet will go through here, but that's fine. I'll probably just put some hay or something in the bottom. But the dimensions on this thing are going to be 29.5 by 21.5 by 11.5. So now you know. I'm going to get you guys a close-up of this so you can see how to put this in here. Grab your small piece. Again, it's very important to make sure this smooth side is facing outwards and these handles are facing up, just like this. If you put it, it'll go in upside down, backwards. If you do that, well, if you do it, you'll see. It'll be a problem. So we're lined up, and we're just going to take the hammer, rubber mallet, and we're going to hit it hard on this flat piece. It's going to snap in, and then you just kind of want to line up the rest of these, and then smash them in. 2 hits, and you got the whole thing in there. All right, now we're gonna do the sides. Now these are interchangeable. They can go upside down, backwards. It doesn't matter. They're pretty much exactly the same. So just kind of, well, I guess there is a pattern you can put in there to go right, but it doesn't really matter. All right, so this one's the same. You just got to line up your spots on one side, and then just pound it in. We're just going to line up some more and keep going. You can't really mess this part up. Alright, and we'll do the last side real quick. Okay, so we got all 4 sides lined up. Now we're gonna put the top on. Doesn't matter which way you put it on, as long as this door is facing upwards like this. You don't want to put it on upside down like that. So just make sure this is on. Now this part is easy, but you can mess up on it. So just, again, follow my instructions. It's very easy. So you're gonna pick a corner. All right, so you're gonna pick a corner. And this is all bowed out, so it's gonna wanna not line up right. It's simple, you just kinda hold your fingers in there. You're gonna get that corner piece lined up. And you're gonna get all 3 of these lined up. So there's this flat piece and this flat tab and this corner. You want all 3 of those lined up, that's important. And just give it one little tap and it'll go in there and it'll get all 3 of them for the most part. Then you're gonna flip it over to the next corner. You're gonna do the exact same thing on the next corner. Line up all 3 of those. And then tap it in there. Then you're gonna go back to the flat part here and you're gonna make sure these went in. These ones didn't go in, so we're just gonna give it a little tap. We got them in. All right, we're gonna go back over here. We're gonna get the 3rd corner. And we're gonna line it up. Got all 3 of them lined up. We're gonna hit a little tap. Then we're gonna go back on the flat side and we're gonna line all these up. Now these are gonna be out of place, so just gonna kind of have to work them in there until they get lined up. Now they're all lined up. One tap in the center, we'll get all 3 of them. And then we'll go to our last corner. Get all 3 points lined up again. You also want to make sure that this flat piece is on the outside or this long piece is on the inside of that flat piece. So all 3 corners lined up, a tap. Go back to the short side and get these 2 right in the center. All right, these are lined up. You can see them, they're not weird. So just gonna one tap, there you go, all done. So we have handles. You pick this thing up, it probably weighs about 6 pounds or so, I'm guessing. It has a little door here for locking them in there. Slides. Again, this is easy to put together, but if you mess up, put one of these on backwards, getting this off is very hard. I had to do that, I messed up, I wasn't paying attention. Again, there's no instructions in the box, so I figured I'd make a quick little video on how to do this. Now we're gonna go test this out and see how many chickens we can cram in here. These are some chicks I have in my front yard. This is just a little chicken tractor I built. These are some I Am Samani chickens. We sell hatching eggs and I'll ship chicks here in the next couple months. So if you guys are interested in anything like that, nicholscounty.com website. There'll be a link in the description as well. We're just gonna go ahead and, like I said, we're gonna just slap some birds in here just to kind of see how many we can fit in here, and then just kind of show you how it works. I don't actually have to move these guys. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes only. I got all 10 in here pretty comfortably. There's probably room for a couple more. These are a smaller breed. They're not quite large breed, but they're not tiny birds. They're not bantams or anything like that, but they're about medium-sized breed, so they all fit here pretty good, and it's pretty easy to use. I'm Samani. They're all black. Really nice looking birds. This one's got a little bit of a frostbite coming on. We had a freeze not too long ago. She looks pretty good though. I just like to show off my birds sometimes. Alright, I'll try to get a video when I get some chicks hatched out here soon, which will be pretty soon. In about a week, we'll be going to a farm store, dropping off about a couple hundred birds. So that's why I got these two, so I keep the breeds separately, so I have different bins. And I like, again, those little flat pieces on the side I was telling you about. These right here. You can put like your business logo on here, or sticker or something like that, or you can write on there. There's all kinds of things you can do. Alright, well, I'll finish up the video here when I can, but if I stop it here, thanks for watching.